Fair season in Washington is more than just a time to eat cotton candy and let the kids play at the carnival. It's also a time to celebrate our agricultural roots. At the Grant County Fair in Moses Lake, you'll see a little bit of farming everywhere. Mickey Webb is the fairgrounds director, and he says agriculture is what the fair is all about.
County fairs have always grown out of the agricultural community. A lot of volunteerism of that, usually centered around harvest festivals, things of that is where pretty much the county fairs grew out of.
Learning about agriculture is something that everyone can enjoy. Now, through 4-H and FFA, kids and teens can really get their hands dirty, and sometimes their hard work can really pay off. All right, so Kelly, you're part of 4-H, right?
Yes.
Now, how long have you been doing that?
I've been in 4-H for about 6 years.
6 years, okay. Now, obviously, because you've been in it for 6 years, you must like it, right?
Yes.
Why do you like it so much?
I get to meet new people, learn new things, and enter stuff in the fair.
So, of the things that you entered this year, what is one of the things you're the most proud of?
The watermelon.
Well, grab that guy. So this is your watermelon.
Oh, that's heavy.
Oh, man, here, look at that.
Yeah.
So you got first place for this watermelon here. How does it make you feel when you get something like this?
Very happy.
Now, why?
Because I get a lot of money for school.
Derek Sandison has been the Washington Agriculture Director for 2 years, and he believes that fairs play an important role to connecting people to their farmers.
It's getting the consumer together with the farmer, the producer, and be able to understand more about where your food comes from. That's something that's lacking particularly in our urban areas. There's sort of a disconnect between what you buy in the store and how it's produced. I think it's also important that that we attract a lot, if you look around, a lot of young people who maybe aren't in farming, that they get to see, they get exposed to what this is all about.
Right, which is very crucial.
Because not every person coming into agriculture has come from an agricultural family. I mean, there's people that are coming in, we're seeing it all over the state, where there's new people in agriculture who have never been their family was not involved, they did not grow up on the farm, but still there's a great attraction to them associated with agriculture.
You can find a county fair in just about every corner of Washington State, so the next time you visit one, make sure to enjoy the food, have fun, but more importantly, meet your local farmers.